guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for February. It has a cute little gold heart that says Ipsy on it. This is what the bag looks like. I did get some face masks that were too big to fit in there, so they put them on the outside. Do appreciate that they put it in a bag just so it wouldn't leak. But they are 2 sheet masks, Squeeze Green and Sika Herb, maybe? Don't know if that's how you say it. But yeah. One's for moisturizing and refining, the other one's for soothing and softening. So those are awesome. And then we have a card on the inside. But this month it doesn't have the product. So sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. This one is talking about supporting Black entrepreneurs. Very cool. So the first product I'm pulling out is by Laneige. This is a water sleeping mask. Hydrate, brighten, and soften. So I have that. I also have Shades by Shan, I think it says. That's pretty cool. The color is called Yeah Yeah. That's a nice, just nude color, so I definitely use that. Then I have 3 Ships Dewdrops. This is a mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C serum. Pretty cool. And lastly, this is the item that I picked, is from, is it Benefit? Yep, Benefit Roller Lash. I'm pretty sure this is the mascara that I had and it was really good and I loved it. So it is a travel size, but that's perfect because we're going to be traveling soon. I like these little sample sizes, that way you can, you know, go through mascara kind of quickly and see what you like, see what you don't. So that is what I got this month. If you guys would like to join, I do have a playlist below if you want to see past boxes or past bags. I've been subscribed for years, and then a link below in case you'd like to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.